Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to rewatch a story you already watched on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have spotlights where you can check out some videos that people post. We have the story section here. We have the camera where you can take snaps. And in the bottom left corner, we have your chats and your locations. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and rewatch a story you already watched on Snapchat. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, to replay a snap on Snapchat, stay on chat screen after viewing a snap. So basically, here are your snaps or the stories that you can go and check out, of course. Tap and hold the snap or the story, of course. Then tap it again to view it. If you have a Snapchat Plus subscription, you can tap and hold a snap to reply it twice. Don't leave the chat screen before replying a snap. The reply option will then, in that case, just disappear. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.